Hey, what's up? That's Dave again. 44, 84. Nah, I'm saying, guess what I'm doing here? I speak every single day on camera until get fluency in English. Continue, bro. I decided to get back, you know what I'm saying? Get back to TOEFL speaking practice. Anyway, yeah, I've done this before. I've done this completely, 100%, all the themes, equations, but I wanna do it again. I wanna try to improve because brilliant practice and it's exactly what I'm gonna need in the future. First question, do you use in public transportation or having a private vehicle for your daily commutes? Currently, for my daily commutes, for my daily routine, I use only public transportation, and I prefer this. That's undoubtedly because first of all, I'm being a student right now, and for students, buy a private vehicle. It's not cheap to buy car. In Russia, in my country where I study, it is not popular at all among students to buy cars, especially in big cities like in Moscow right now. So, in public transportation, it's much more convenient for us because we don't need to concern about traffic jams in the morning, about our time to commute to university, about that we can be late. Second task, it was conversation between two people, and man expressed his opinion about new system of working in groups at university. They were taking a geology project. There were 3 people in a group. One guy, he wanted to do everything and by himself. He didn't trust anyone to even to share opinion and take responsibility for the project. Our guy, our man who expressed opinion, he also wanted to participate, and actually he had a great ideas how to improve projects. But he's done a little work in this project. The main guy didn't want to listen anything, and the third guy, he didn't do anything. He was lazy and like freeloader in this team. So eventually they all get a great scores, good grades, but our man wasn't satisfied by this because he could do much better. Third task, what are the positive impacts of globalization on arts? Globalization has had significant impacts on arts. First of all, with the developing online social medias, internet, and this online communication space, now everyone has access to all artworks. And for creators, for artists, for example, is not a problem right now to share their works with the world, with the society, with everyone. So it's much more easier to become famous currently and just to show up in front of a new audience. The same with the artists, like for regular people right now, it is easier to find new arts what they want to discover, what they want to explore for themselves. Both sides, like creators and audience, can take advantage of globalization impacts. And last task, guys, my favorite question officially in TOEFL, absolute inadequate question. I'm not sure that you can meet this in real exam because this is gonna be crazy. Explain the concept of superconductivity and its application. Yeah, it's about physics, it's about atom level in the physics, really. So superconductivity, it is effects when materials can be with low, really almost zero resistance. It can be caused by super low temperature, right? It was discovered like several times by several smart people, like in not in our century. And in general, the main idea of superconductivity with the low temperatures, it's when inside the material molecules they are affected by this temperature, and They started like collaborating with each other, creating a pairs, like there were two molecules, and now it's gonna be pair of these molecules. They have the connection between them, strong connection, and they going through the material together without resistance. I don't know why, difficult. And meanwhile, important fact that currently we apply this in real life by creating super like conductivity magnetical fields, right, with the magnets. Okay, bro, we continue learning. Good luck.